On to some news that's breaking this minute. The latest update coming in the Vikas Dubey encounter case. A special investigation team constituted to probe the Vikas Dubey encounter case will start its probe today. The SIT will record the statement starting today. The SIT has also issued an appeal that anyone who has any information should come forward. Let me go across to my colleague Prashant, who's joining me on the phone line with further updates on this. Prashant, with this encounter, there were, of course, a lot of questions that continue to remain unanswered. What is going to be the top focus of the SIT, which is currently probing this case?
Well, the top focus of the SIT, of course, will be to ascertain who were the exact people and for how much time was it actually being planned to carry out an encounter like this, a gruesome encounter on the policemen like this. And perhaps the questioning will start from today. And the local police and the SIT have also, in a way, requested all the people in and around that particular area, whosoever has any information, to come forward and share it with the police. Their names will, of course, be kept secret. But for now, finally, the Vikas Dubey encounter case the investigation has gathered some pace. We'll have to see the kind of revelations that now come from here on. But for now, the investigation has started and it will continue in the days to come.
All right, Prashant, thanks for joining us with those breaking inputs.